Hi, I'm Gareth.
And I'm Maddie.
Welcome to Ebdale.
At Wallara. If you want to come inside and check it out, come with us. Welcome to Wallara's Ebdale site, a vibrant community-based space in the heart of Frankston at Ebdale Community Hub. Perfect for growing independence and travel training. There's always something happening here, from creative arts, cooking, to STEAM and independent living skills. Whether you're into painting, baking, or building something new, every day offers something different. Ebdale is all about building skills, confidence, and connections through hands-on learning. Ebdale is more than a site. It's a community centre where people grow, have fun, and feel supported. We're active in the community too. We volunteer at Vinnie's and aged care centres, enjoy bowling, and build confidence through travel training across Melbourne. Our cultures encourage everyone to try new things and celebrate their achievements.
Thank you for visiting Ebdale.
If you want to get involved, contact Wallara to find out more. Yes! I finally nailed that, Gareth. I finally nailed that.